All right, let's take a look, and what I'm going to do first is just write it down. And the first thing I do is get rid of that negative power, and I say n equals 1, infinity. I see the 8, and that's going to be e to the minus 9n, which is e to the 9n at bottom. All right? So I'm going to start writing it down, and I got 8. I'm going to write time 1 over e to the 9th power plus 8 times 1 e over 18 plus 8 times 1, and that's going to be what? 3 times 9 is 27, right? Yada, yada, yada. I'm going to factor out an 8, and I'm going to factor out e to the 9th on the bottom. What are you left off with? 1 plus what do you get there? You get 1 over e to the 9. You know what? I don't think that's a good idea. So I'm going to rewrite it a little bit over again. I really don't need to help us out too much. I'm going to write that again as 8. I'm going to write this as 1 over E3 no, leave it as E9 plus 8 1 over E9 squared plus 8 1 over E9 cubed. That's a 7 there. Well, it seems to work out okay. Let's make sure I get those terms. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 9 is 27. This goes on forever. What I'm going to do now, factor it. I'm going to 8, 1 over e to the 9th power times 1 plus 1 over E9 plus 1 over E9 squared plus yada, yada, yada. All right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use this is geometric. Let's write this down. So it's going to be 1 plus x squared plus yada, yada, yada. That equals 1 over 1 minus x, provided the x, the absolute value of it, is less than 1. Well, clearly the 1 over e to the 9th is my x in the problem. That's certainly less than 1. So I'm ready to write this down now. Do the sum. 8, 1 over e to the 9 times 1 minus the x in the problem, and that's 1 over e to the 9th. I'm going to figure this out, and I see an 8 in top, by the way. And let's multiply this out. And we left off with e to the 9th minus 1. My recommendation, look at the k to make sure you're looking at that answer, 8 e to the 9th minus 1. Thank you.